Hi guys, welcome to XKDQTech's channel. Now playing Royal High. There's the new update and there's Miss Moons from Miss Moon's channel, and there's Merry Moons, the real Merry Moons. I'm gonna tell them to say hi. Look at all the street. I'm gonna be loose. I'm losing myself. It's so pretty here. We're gonna hop in a car. And the next one. Come. She's running. Yay! She has joined. So now they're talking, and there's one of my friend Lilia, and Lilia is she's gonna ride me to my stop. So let's go. We're gonna say come. We're the group of angels. And this is my face. And now I'm gonna start acting. I'm blushing. I'm so pretty, and I'm happy that my mom drive me here. So guys, today we're gonna go to Royal High. I'm just waiting for my friends to come and show up here. It's gonna be so cool and so crazy. And I really like the new update here. And there's a cafe. I'm excited when they're gonna open the cafe, and I'm gonna be so happy. Wonders where they're coming, but no time to waste. You guys wanna walk to the street? Okay, we're gonna walk to the street. It looks crazy, like, oh my god, like what is this? OMG. I'm in her car. Look at the shops. I'm so happy now. It's like, yay. And sorry guys if I'm laggy, but it's none of my business. Oh, it's so pretty over there. I wonder what is that? Like, so, yeah. Ooh. Oh! So cool. Why does she change hair? It's like, this hair is not that pretty. I'm filming. Girls, come on. Let's go play school. Let's go. Let's go to school. Let's go to school. Oh, am I? It's like so messed up. Like, no, right? I'm gonna change my voice now. No, I'm gonna keep my voice. I'm so happy. We're here! Almost there! I'm so happy! Like, yeah. I know, right? Let's go! excited. I'm so excited. Let's go back to school. Let's go back to school. Hey girls. Oh, time to sleep. I've liked this song. Okay, I know she's FK. We're Ice Team. We are the Angels group. Oh, like, yeah, totally, like, so, yeah. I know. Yeah. Teddy, I really love your hair. Yeah, me too, by the way. Oh, thanks, Man Moons, and thanks, Miss Moons. We're all, like, pretty, and we're all wearing white heels. We're so classy. And her wings cost a lot, like a lot. I could buy a big tutu with this, but that's what I'm going to do, like totally. Wait, I'ma change to... Guys, don't drop that on me, cause who will pay? Like, we are the prettiest girls at all the school. Why is she blocking me? I don't like that hair. That one too is too girly. Yeah. No, I think I'm gonna take her hair. Yeah, that one looks better. Cool. I'll sing. Like, yeah, totally. I'm with you. Oh, thanks, Marymons. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, girls. Yeah. Marymons, stop saying yeah. That's so annoying me. I'm not running fast. I know, like, look, I'm running much faster than you, like, you totally. Hey, Marymons, stop being mean and rude. I have problems with my legs, so that isn't my fault. So, I'm the sugar plum. I'm carrying the sugar plum princess that are there. Okay, we're coming. Don't you leave me apart. Oh, we left mermaids. Come. Moon, Miss Moon, come please. Why are we so popular? Let's go check that one at least. I'm the sugar plum fairy. The sugar plum doctor. Yay! We're at Sindor. We left Memo. Wow, nice bed. Oh, nice bed. Oh, she said thanks. I have the crown. I have a crown. Why is she copying me? She has exactly the same style as me. Like my face, my hair, like the haircut. No problem. Look at my chick. It's so cool. Now we are writing in French. I really like my hair. And I have a crown. It's like more prettier, like totally prettier. I'm so happy. Yeah, me too. Let's dance. Okay, moons. Okay, never mind. Let's dance. Let's dance. Yeah, totally. I'm pretty. Hi. You look like a vampire. I think she's one. I'm Cat. I'm Catty, by the way. I'm Catty, by the way. She really looks like a vampire to me. Her eyes, her red eyes. Hey. Hey, Mary.